Ever wondered how medical equipment is made? Let's step inside a modern medical equipment company. Every medical device begins with carefully inspected materials. AI quality control protects every stage of production.
But the overall yield is still exceptional.
Precision machining creates the foundation of life-saving equipment. Medical-grade plastics are manufactured under strict quality standards. Advanced electronics give every medical device its intelligence. Precision sensors allow medical equipment to monitor every critical detail. Advanced assembly combines thousands of precision components. Intelligent robotics ensure consistent manufacturing accuracy. Sterile cleanrooms protect every medical device from contamination. Precision calibration guarantees reliable performance in every situation. AI inspection verifies every detail with remarkable precision. Permanent laser marking ensures complete product traceability. Every function is tested before entering hospitals worldwide. Strict electrical testing guarantees safe medical operation. Sterilization prepares every device for clinical use. Sterile packaging preserves every device until clinical use. Final quality assurance confirms uncompromising medical standards. Every certified device is fully documented for global traceability. Precision engineering meets world-class healthcare innovation. Every packaged device is ready to serve hospitals around the world. Robotic logistics prepare every shipment with exceptional precision. Smart warehouses keep critical medical equipment ready for delivery. Global logistics connect this factory with hospitals worldwide. Every delivery supports the next generation of patient care. Advanced medical technology helps healthcare professionals save lives every day. Innovation begins long before production ever starts. Every prototype is engineered for precision and reliability. Advanced testing prepares tomorrow's medical technology. Every department works together to support modern healthcare. Precision manufacturing helps improve lives around the world. Every shipment begins a journey towards saving lives. Intelligent logistics keep healthcare moving around the world. Precision installation prepares every device for clinical use. Advanced technology supports doctors every single day. Innovation and precision define every stage of production. Every finished device represents precision, safety, and trust. Millions of patients depend on technology built in facilities like this. Advanced manufacturing continues to shape the future of healthcare. Behind every medical device is an extraordinary engineering journey. Thanks for exploring the complete manufacturing process inside a modern medical equipment company.